Vaccines, a presentation. An introduction, vaccination in the modern world. Vaccines have been around since ancient China. Vaccines are stimulations of diseases given to help the body's immune system develop better resistance to disease. They are intended to create herd immunity within the population so that everyone is protected from viruses and other diseases. How they work, vaccines and their continents. Vaccines cause the immune system to produce T lymphocytes, specialized white blood cells, and antibodies against specific diseases without getting harmed. Antibodies being proteins which recognize foreign and invading organisms, and they can be separated into 3 specific types: live, toxoid, and inactivated. Live, attenuated vaccines contain a weakened version of the virus that is safe for our bodies. Toxoid vaccines contain bacteria-produced toxins that viruses create, and inactivated vaccines contain the inactivated or killed germ that is injected into the body. Common concerns. How do vaccines get approved? Vaccines require 2 separate FDA, Food and Drug Administration, certificates to be approved. The process of clinical testing alone can take the upwards of 10 years for any specific vaccine. And once approved, vaccines are scheduled for regular maintenance and checkups to make sure they're maintaining immunity to the absolute fullest. Do vaccines cause autism? Vaccines, in fact, are not linked to autism, despite the falsified claims of one study by the discredited and who's had his license revoked, Andrew Wakefield, a once practicing physician. Vaccines are not linked to autism. The MMR, measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine, has had no specific connections to autism, despite what he has claimed. There is actually no specific evidence that is recognized by the scientific community as a whole that links vaccines to autism or any other life-threatening disease. Doesn't having a lot of vaccines overwhelm your immune system? Many, including a lot of concerned parents, are worried about stunting the growth of their children because of the large amount of vaccines they must receive at a young age. There, however, has been no linked evidence of this. The only current issue with vaccinations, as of right now, is that 1 in 35,000 people receives a severe enough allergic reaction to it to require hospitalization. This, along with a few other people who cannot get vaccinated for medical reasons, are all covered by herd immunity, which is provided by the rest of us receiving vaccinations. Vaccination, a global topic. Vaccines are widely used around the globe and have been used for centuries. Anti-vaccine policies and organizations have seen a certain reemergence thanks to the large numbers of concerned parents who are hesitant to vaccinate now. In less developed countries, vaccines are seen as foreign medical technology, and therefore not many people are vaccinated. First world countries, however, are also experiencing a decline in vaccinations as of recently for a variety of reasons. On a local scale, in Florida, it is required that you get vaccinated up until all of the current vaccinations to be able to go to public school and provide proof of this. If, however, you wish to go to school but cannot be vaccinated or do not want to be vaccinated, then for religious or medical reasons alone, you may sign the state waiver with a parent or guardian and be allowed to go to school without receiving any vaccine.